This spinach artichoke spaghetti squash is my favorite plant-based recipe. It wins for best in class. Bake a spaghetti squash at 400 for 40 to 50 minutes. When it's done, cut it open immediately so that it releases the steam and stops baking. Once it's cool, remove the seeds with a fork and all those slimy little strands. Then remove the squash from the skins and fluff it. Put it in a casserole dish or a large skillet. To make the cream sauce, add 1 cup of raw nuts, almonds, walnuts, or cashews, half a cup of water, 1/2 of an onion, red or white, 2 cloves of garlic. You can substitute powders for the garlic or the onion. Also, you'll add 1/2 cup of yeast flakes and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can substitute lemon juice. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend it on high until it's nice and creamy. And by the way, this is the cashew cream sauce that you hear so much about with plant-based recipes. So taste it. You can turn this into Alfredo sauce, dip, salad dressing, whatever. For this recipe, you're going to add some frozen spinach, 10 ounces will work, and a can of artichokes. Just make sure they're not chopped in oil. And then pulse it. You want to have chunky parts of the spinach and the artichoke. You don't want it to be fully pureed. So just pulse it until it's chunky. And then mix that sauce into the spaghetti squash strands. Now it's ready to roll. You can eat it just like this, or you can add some additional toppings. I like vegan cheese and gluten-free breadcrumbs. Sprinkle a little breadcrumbs around the top, and then 1/2 cup or so of shredded cheese. And then you're gonna stick this under the broiler for 3 to 5 minutes. Watch it, don't let it go. And out comes the most delicious, awesome, party-winning meal. It's really just that easy. Enjoy.